we have talked about the psychological issues or the secondary problem. Another area of interest is that we understand that it could be genetic, that is, it has been inherited. You will be surprised to know that more boys are affected by this issue than the girls. So, when we start talking about difficulty in learning classroom, which we also term it as dyslexia, so it is always, we'll find there is another male member in the family. It may be father, brother, or an uncle who's had the same problem. So, that is genetic. Another area of interest would be that some biochemical factors, biochemical, that is that is if the child has thyroid problem, or he has an issue of endocrine glands that are not functioning well. So these are also areas which will affect the child. And another very important issue is experiential deprivation. By this I mean that our children, some children have been very fortunate, they have had lot of exposure, they have been able to see storybooks, read, write, they have had crayons to color, but there are also those children who are coming from those backgrounds where they have never seen a storybook, or they have never held a crayon or colored chalks. So these are things that they have never handled before. So when they come into the classroom and they are given the textbooks and they are asked to underline the word in blue color, and so these kind of issues, so these children will not be able to do well in classroom to begin with, because they have never ever handled these kind of things. So that is another area that needs to be kept in mind. So apart from what we talked earlier, these are the issues which will come in the way of his learning. Sometimes it is also because of the teacher. The way teacher is teaching the subject, if she does not have the authority on the subject, she will not reach out to the child. The child will lose interest and he will be up to mischief. Sometimes the teacher, the way she pronounces the words may not go down very well with the child, and he does not learn. So these are areas which have to be looked into. So apart from other issues, these are the things which will come in the way of his learning.